Hey everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. So we're here at our latest project in Manhattan Beach. I wanted to show you this really cool idea. These are called bromeliads right here. Check. Let's get a close-up of those. Aren't those like nature's most beautiful plants? They grow like in the Amazon forest. They grow on the sides of trees, but right now they're growing in this garden. These are ginkgo trees. And check out these really cool lights with fountains. They're called the Awasa quintets and the trios. Really cool idea how these work. Just love these things. And we've got like 4 of them here, but I just wanted to show you this is what it's all about. If you have a tiny little piece of property, you could do something like this. We put the we sunk them in, we put some autofills in them, put pond filter mat, and then we put the rock on top. Really easy to do. Anybody could do it. It could be do-it-yourself project, or you could hire us. Just wanted to show this is our latest project. Mike with Enviroscape LA. When you think of beauty and sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.